Hey Brandon, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this video. So, today I'm going to show you a few tips that you can apply so that you can start getting more leads organically. Now, I am on your website and whoa, I love the bright, I love the colors. It's definitely attention grabbing. I really like it. Um, let's see. I see a little bit of content. Good, so those each have their own page. All right, so the rule of thumb is for your home page, you're going to want 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Now, that breaks down to 150 words for every keyword that you're targeting. Your customers more than likely won't be Googling the name of your business. They're going to be Googling their service that they need, um, especially in a time of emergency. They're gonna be looking for somebody to help them with the flood in their basement or their fire or whatever happens. So, it's going to be really, really important for you to work on your content and keyword strategy. Um, you're going to need to make sure that every single one of your services does, in fact, have its own page, and that if you're in a multiple service areas, working multiple different cities, every single one that has any search volume at all needs to have their own page. Each of those pages will need to have the appropriate amount of content for whatever keywords that you're targeting. Um, if we go to your top competitor organically, it's Paul Davis, his Milwaukee branch. Um, and they have a very nice website as well. And they've got more content. They have more content and it looks like more usage of those local based buyer intent keywords. Keywords are something that a lot of people get confused by. You don't want any keywords that will get people on your website because those type of keywords don't convert into sales. Um, you want keywords specifically that are going to help you find the customers and provide the services. Now, Google does not rank your site based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that index every single one of your pages, going through your content and indexing your keywords. And that way, once those are indexed and a customer puts in a specific search, Google can put your website in front of them if you have that on your website. Now, this is a program we use called Arefs, and it shows how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a 0 score out of 100. That is in Google's trust flow. What that means is Google doesn't trust your website yet. Um, and that's because you only have one for your domain and 2 backlinks. So you need a whole lot more backlinks, a considerable amount of backlinks. And not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to make sure you're only getting the highly authoritative, do follow backlinks. Because you don't have enough content on your website, it's only being indexed for 3 keywords, which isn't going to be enough to give you much traffic. So currently you're getting 0 traffic. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 67 and a 32 specifically in the Milwaukee area. That is because they have over 7,000 backlinks. So in order to beat these guys, not only do you have to beef up your content and work on your keyword strategy, but you're going to need a lot more backlinks than your top competitor here over that 7,000. Because of the amount of content, they're being indexed for over 500 different keywords, and they're seeing over 1,200 people on average to their website every month. Backlinks. A backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant that website is to your services and industry, the more authoritative and the higher power it's going to give you and help you boost in the rankings. These backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords. You need to make sure these backlinks are being pushed to all of your service pages, service areas, and the home page. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is this Google Maps or Google My Business section. So your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and keywords. It does look like you're here, but it doesn't have all your information. It's missing a website here. You want to make sure you optimize this because it's a highly competitive spot and you don't want to lose your place. In order to be in the top 3, you need to it has several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, address, and phone number, and having those listed in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you apply all of these tips I've told you about today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your service area and keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can apply this information I've provided you and do it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask you to go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you'd like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.